How to fix Google Earth not working black screen issue. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to check whether Google Earth has any updates or not. To do that, open Play Store on your device or App Store, then search for Google Earth. You will see an update button if there is any update available. Tap update if available. Now, the second thing you need to do is simply long press on Google Earth app icon and select App Info. Once you land on the section, select Storage Uses and tap Clear Cache. You can tap Clear Data and tap on Delete button. This app's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from this device. Now come back and you need to try whether your issue has been fixed or not. If not yet, you need to restart your device. Hold power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. After restarting, you need to try opening Google Earth again. And with that, your issue should be now fixed. I hope this guide was helpful.